The 3060 Ti is here. Hi guys, sorry for the lousy intro. I just received the 3060 Ti Founders Edition that a friend ordered on my address, and I just wanted to make this very short and quick video. So with his permission, I ran some tests and benchmarks, which I will share in an upcoming video. You can see the 3060 Ti in all its glory here, and the NVIDIA adapter it comes with. I just wanted to give a quick update, but I can cover it in a bit more detail in some next video. So the quick summary, it turns out that the 6800 gets more FPS and performance for games, but for deep learning, the 3060 Ti is the clear winner. Not only with using CUDA, but also using DirectML as well, which was a bit surprising to be fair. Also, another thing I wanted to mention, which I will explore in another video, is that there is no problem for you having AMD and NVIDIA GPU in the same machine. While you can't use them for a single game that you're playing or a single application, for deep learning you do not have a problem. For mining or whatever, you don't have a problem. And if you have two monitors, actually you can run each GPU on to be responsible for the picture for each monitor. So any application that is running on this monitor. So done. This controversial question has now been answered. As I said, I'll go into a bit more details in another video if, of course, you want. I wanted to do a very quick video, and sorry for not uploading lately. It has been a crazy month, and thank you very much for your support with watching and subscribing. And thanks again, and see you in a couple of days with a new video, hopefully.